Hey there, curious minds. Today we explore the fascinating world of 3D printing, going through its pros and cons. But before we get started, here's a quick joke to kick things off. Why did the 3D printer keep going to therapy? Because it had too many layers. First up, let's talk about the advantages of 3D printing. Flexible design. 3D printing breaks free from traditional design restrictions, allowing for the creation of incredibly intricate and complex designs. Rapid prototyping. Need a prototype? No problem. 3D printing can whip up parts in hours, making the prototyping process lightning fast and cost-effective. Print on demand. Say goodbye to massive inventory storage. With 3D printing, you can produce items on demand, saving space and costs. Strong and lightweight. 3D printed parts, often made of plastic, are not only strong but lightweight. This is a game changer in industries like automotive and aerospace. Fast design and production. From design to finished product, 3D printing can be incredibly speedy. You can create STL or CAD files and get them printed in no time. Minimizing waste. Traditional manufacturing can result in significant material wastage. With 3D printing, you use only what you need for the part, reducing waste and material costs. Cost-effective. It's a one-step manufacturing process, saving both time and costs. Plus, you can even outsource your project to a 3D printing service company if you don't want to invest in expensive equipment. Ease of access. 3D printers are becoming more accessible, with local service providers offering outsourcing services. No need to deal with costly overseas production. Environmentally friendly. Less material wastage, improved fuel efficiency from lightweight parts, and sustainable practices make 3D printing eco-friendly. Advanced healthcare. 3D printing is revolutionizing healthcare, with the potential to print organs like livers, kidneys, and hearts, offering life-saving solutions. Now, let's explore the drawbacks. Limited materials. 3D printing has a limited selection of raw materials. Not all metals or plastics are suitable, and many printable materials can't be recycled. Restricted build size. 3D printers have small print chambers, limiting the size of parts. Larger items may need to be printed in sections and assembled later, increasing time and costs. Post-processing. Most 3D printed parts require post-processing to remove support material and achieve a smooth finish. This can slow down production. Large volumes. For large-scale production, traditional methods like injection molding may be more cost-effective. 3D printing doesn't always scale down in cost per unit. Part structure. 3D printed parts are built layer by layer, which can lead to structural weaknesses, especially in certain orientations or with certain printing methods. Reduction in manufacturing jobs. Automation in 3D printing could potentially reduce the need for human labor in manufacturing, impacting job markets. Design inaccuracies. Some 3D printers may have lower tolerances, resulting in parts that deviate from the original design, requiring additional time and cost for adjustments. Copyright issues. The rise of 3D printing raises concerns about counterfeit products and copyright infringement. And there you have it, folks, a balanced look at the pros and cons of 3D printing. While it's an incredible technology with immense potential, it's not without its challenges. Just remember, for every layer of complexity in 3D printing, there's always room for a good laugh. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next exploration of the tech world.